Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Aida Umayan Vlogs, and tonight's episode I'm going to show you guys how I cook my simple recipe of chicken curry. But before we proceed, I just wanted to thank every one of you guys for continuing supporting me on my YouTube channel. And I just wanted to tell you guys the good news that we are already monetized. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, let's go back. We have the chicken legs, but you can use all parts of the chicken. But today, this is the only available in my kitchen, so I'm using the chicken legs for my chicken curry. And I have some potatoes, some bell pepper, and I have some chopped onions, broccoli. I'm missing some carrots, but I don't have it right now, so I'm just using whatever available ingredients that I have on my fridge. And I have this coconut milk because I want my chicken curry so creamy. And I have soy sauce to taste. And I have the curry powder. You can buy curry powder in every grocery store. And I have bell pepper. And I also have salt to taste. Alright guys, this is the only thing I need for my chicken curry. Okay, so you have to cook the potato half cooked because you're gonna put this on the top of the chicken curry to finalize. Now this is done cooking half cooked, so I'm gonna put it back to the container. So the next one, we also half cook the bell pepper. Okay, this is all done, so we're gonna put this set aside because we're gonna put this together with our potato later on top of our chicken. Okay, next one is our main ingredients, the chicken. So I like to fry my chicken a little bit because I wanted all the excess fat take off before I'm going to continue putting all the ingredients. But as what I said earlier guys, that everyone has different version on how to make chicken curry. So this is the situation of our chicken right now, but I want it more brown before I going to proceed making this chicken curry. Okay, so I think this is ready. All I need to do is I just need to transfer this to the empty container, and then I'm going to proceed non-stop for the next step. Okay, so by this time, you can now put the soy sauce, the black pepper. I like black pepper, so do not judge me, guys. And also, you can now put your chicken curry powder. And then I forgot to mention earlier that I also need 1 cup of water. And all you have to do is just mix it really well so that the ingredients will scatter to our chicken. So this is the situation of our chicken curry right now, and this is not done because I still have more ingredients to mix with our chicken curry. So we're gonna check after 18 minutes. Already, look at the chickens, looks like about done. So this is the time that we are going to put our coconut milk. Look at that, guys. Coconut milk will make your chicken curry very creamy. And all you have to do is the same process. You just mix it up good. Yep. So now I'm going to add the salt to taste. So don't worry about the other thing over there, guys. It's just part of the chicken curry, so it's not dirty. And also, by this time, you can now put your half-cooked potato. You just need to scatter this. You don't have to stir it really hard. Just scatter that. And then, we are going to cover this for another 15 minutes. So by this time, you can now add the bell pepper and the broccoli. And then you just need to scatter that to the chicken. Now our chicken curry is ready to serve. Look how creamy is my chicken curry. Yummy, guys. Our creamy chicken curry is done and it's ready to serve. If you guys like this recipe, please leave a comment and like this video. And don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video and see you guys on the next episode. Bye, guys.